This is Daily Reflections on Divine Mercy from My Catholic Life. Today's reflection is entitled, Recognizing the Needs of Others. Oftentimes we can be so preoccupied with ourselves and our own problems that we fail to see the struggles and needs of those around us, especially those of our own family. At times, because we are so self-consumed, we run the risk of adding unnecessary burdens to those we are called to love and care for. We need to foster within our hearts true Christ-like empathy and compassion for each person we encounter. Do you see the needs of those in your life? Are you aware of their wounds and burdens? Do you sense when they are sad and overwhelmed? Do you add to their sorrow, or do you seek to lift them up? Reflect today upon the great gift of an empathetic and compassionate heart. True Christian empathy is a human response of love for those all around us. It's an act of mercy we must foster so as to lighten the burden of those entrusted to our care. Let us pray. Lord, help me to have a heart full of true empathy. Help me to sense the struggles and needs of others around me and to turn my eyes from myself to the needs that they carry. Lord, you are full of compassion. Help me also to be filled with compassion for all. Jesus, I trust in you.